Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to save WhatsApp contact to phone. Friends, if you have saved some contacts on WhatsApp which are not showing on your phone's contact list, like here you can see on WhatsApp I have saved a contact by the name Alpha. So if I try to search this contact on my phone's contact list, now here you can see it is not showing up. So if you want your WhatsApp contact to saved on your phone's contact list, then on your WhatsApp you need to press on the profile name of the person, and here you need to press on three dots. Now press on edit. Now here you need to enable sync contact to phone and press on save. Now this WhatsApp contact will be available on your phone's contact list. I just show you, like here you can see the contact appears automatically. So friends, like this you can very easily save WhatsApp contacts to phone. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.